What I wish I knew about upgrading my workspace instead of struggling with endless cables. Whether you're a MacBook lover or a Dell XPS devotee, this docking station has you covered. Imagine plugging just one cable into your laptop and getting instant access to triple display support. Yes, you heard that right. Enjoy stunning 4K HDMI, crisp 1080p VGA, and a myriad of ports to connect all your devices. Need to charge your phone? No problem. Transfer files in a flash? Easy peasy. With Anker, your workspace is not just upgraded, it's revolutionized. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to productivity. Ready to make the switch? Check out the Anker 14-in-1 USB-C docking station today.